Occupied bed making is making a bed safely for a bedridden patient. First is you need to wash your hands or sanitize your hands using an alcohol to avoid cross-contamination. Gather all equipments and bring to bedside. Place linens on chair and hamper at bedside. Provide privacy by putting up the screen of closing the door. Adjust the bed to a comfortable working height. Put up side rails at the opposite the worker. Remove any equipment attached to bed and any patient's belongings on the bed. Loosen all top linens at the foot of the bed. Remove bedspread and blanket carefully. If to be reused, fold each in a manner that readily reapplied to bed, latter, and place on back of the chair. If so, discard into the hamper. Leave top sheet over the patient. If it is to be changed, it replace with bath blanket as follows. Spread the bath towel over the top sheet. Ask the client to hold the top edge of the towel. Holding the bottom edge of the towel over the top sheet to the head part. Grasp together the bottom edge of bath towel and top edge of top sheet and pull down until patient is adequately covered by bath towel. Remove the sheet from the bed. Fold and place at the back of the chair. Then gently pour. Reaching under the blanket from the side, grabs the top edge of the sheet and draw it down to the feet of the bed, leaving the blanket in place. Loosen draw sheet and rubber sheet and then the bottom sheet. Move patient near to the worker. Assist patient to assume the same lateral position facing away from the worker. Move the pillow with the patient. sheet and bottom sheet piece by piece towards the back of the patient and tuck under patient's back and buttocks. Proceed to the basic bed making, fan folding vertically the clean bottom sheet at the center of the bed. Tuck in at top, meter corner and finish tucking the side. Apply rubber sheet and cotton draw sheet and tuck in well under the mattress. Then place in the under the bottom sheet. Then put under the bottom sheet. And tuck in well under the mattress. Help the patient to roll over the folded linen and on the clean linen and let lie in supine position. Adjust the pillow under patient's head. Move to the other side of the bed and lower the side rail. Assess the patient to seam's lateral position away from the worker. Loosen the side foundation linens from the bed. Then unfold each piece of clean linen towards you and proceed to the basic bed making until bottom sheet, rubber sheet, and draw sheet are well tucked under the mattress. Reposition pillow at the center of the bed and assist patient to the center of the bed in a position preferred or required. Return to the first side and lower side room. Place top sheet over the patient so that center fold is in the corner of the bed and the top edge is at the client's shoulder. Place top sheet over the patient so that center fold is in the corner is in the center of the bed and the top edge is at the client's shoulder. Ask the patient to hold the top edge of the sheet as you pull the bath blanket from top to bottom. Fold the blanket if to be used. Then, pull down gently. Fold bath blanket is to be reused. Add the blanket and the bedspread and proceed by tacking the top sheet, blanket, and bedspread at the foot part and make a modified meter at both corners.
Ito bang nakaw kami nagkasayo ang utang na mong 550 kada simana. Doon kami kalipat ba ako nakabuli sa utang na. Ano iba't na lang ako na lang.
Instead of a toe plate, you may have the patient point his or her toes up, which allows room for the toes after the bed has been made. Change pillowcase and slip under the patient's head. Reattach signal cord and other equipment removed earlier. Tidy the unit or remove screen. Return hamper with soiled linens to laundry room. Then, wash hands or sanitize your hands using an alcohol to prevent cross-contamination among the clients.